Hotel. We stayed in a 5-star hotel. Shop. I bought some fruits from the shop. Cafe. I like to drink coffee at the cafe. Mall. We spent the afternoon shopping in the mall. Market. The market is very crowded today. Supermarket. She went to the supermarket to buy groceries. Bank. He deposited money in the bank. Hospital. The patient was taken to the hospital. Clinic. She visited the clinic for a checkup. School. Children are studying at school. University. He is a student at the university. Mosque. Many people pray in the mosque. Police station. He reported the theft at the police station. Fire station. The fire station is ready for emergencies. Library. I borrowed a book from the library. Post office. She sent a letter from the post office. Bus station. The bus station is full of travelers. Train station. The train arrived at the train station on time. Airport. We will meet at the airport tomorrow. Park. Children are playing in the park. Playground. The playground is near the school. Stadium. The football match is in the stadium. Factory. He works in a big factory.